How to add email to Linktree. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add email to your Linktree. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser on your device and then search for Linktree. Then go to the Linktree website. Then if you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up for free and create a new account. If you already have an account, you can tap on login. So now once you're in your Linktree account, here you have to tap on more. Then here tap on social icons. And here tap on add icon in social icons. Then here scroll down, find and tap on email. Then here enter your email address. And after entering email address, tap on add to Linktree. And wait for a few seconds and your email is added to your Linktree. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.